How to update your gender in Lyft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the gender. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on it. So these are the profile settings. Now, here on the top, you'll be able to see Ride with Women Plus Connect. So simply tap on it. So this is the section where you can update your gender. Here, you can select different gender available. So if you are a woman, here there are different discounts and different rates available. So it is a type of discount for the woman that it gives. Now select the gender here and simply tap on save. So you can certify it and simply tap on this tick button and tap on submit. So you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.